Holidays and vibration. I'm Brian Withers, empowerment coach, trainer, and author. Well, holidays, this time of year, a lot of people celebrating holidays. And this is perhaps one of the biggest tests of your vibrational mastery, to choose the thoughts that are in alignment, to keep yourself in positive feeling places, resisting the urge to react, and choosing a positive perspective on all things. We don't want to fall into old patterns. We want to stay steady and calm. Now, falling into old patterns, let's talk about that. Now, around the holidays, a lot of things can be different in your life for a relatively short period of time, and they can have a big effect on your vibration. It's likely that you'll be around people for extended times, more so than you are at other times of the year. It's likely that you're going to be cycling more money than you may do at other times of the year. It's likely that you may break from your personal routines a little bit more than other times of the year. And it may be that you're using your time very differently than you do at other times of the year. And of course, there could be travel going on to move around to get to different places. So lots of things are a little bit different, or you could say they're a lot different from your regular daily life. And in those differences, that's where you got to watch out if you are being presented or observing things that are starting to trigger you and you're feeling that urge to react. So you want to not do that. You want to take everything you've learned and you want to practice it, and you want to notice whatever those thoughts are, and you want to quickly reframe those into a perspective that's going to help you understand the situation, stay calm, stay cool, and stay with those good feeling, thought, energy perspectives, so that you are building new thought loops that support what you want, and not the old negative feedback loops that support what you do want. You see, the law of attraction does not know there's holidays, does not know any of those details. As I say many times, the only thing it really knows is the energy you're offering. So you do not want to take a hit on your energy. There's nothing in this life or planet or day that's worth taking a hit on your vibration. So you want to be very mindful of how you're flowing your thoughts as you're going through these holidays. And another thing that we encounter in these holidays is just good old tradition. The way things that are done in families and amongst friends and so on and so forth. Does that still support high vibration for you, or does it take you away from your high vibration? And you got to know that, and you got to deal with that so that you keep flowing in your natural high vibration energy through the day. You're going to be around a lot of people who don't understand vibration, and quite frankly, without knowing it, they're really sloppy with their thoughts and their attention on things and so forth. And so you may have some more than regular navigation to do while you're around the different people that you will be during the holidays. And you do want to spend time with people. It's a nice time it's a break from things, and you want to enjoy people and whatnot. You just got to be mindful that it really is joy, because here's the formula. It always is true for everything that we do, is we want to feel good before we're going into it. So we're thinking about it in ways that feel good to us, and we're going into it for really authentic reasons, that there's authentic joy, and that's where our focus is. And then we're going to be feeling that joy during the experience. And then afterwards, when it's all said and done, and everything is over with, that you are feeling still that sense of joy, that there's no downtime, there's no letdowns, there's no regrets of anything, no guilt, no scarcity, no disappointment. Nothing has come out of this segment of holiday time that is going to have a sort of side effect on your vibration, that when you're all said and done, that you take a hit on your vibration. You want to just keep going, really, on now, today, and in 2 weeks from now, when we're into January, and all these days in between. At that time, it should only be a experience, a memory of joy in your holidays, and you're just going to carry that on, right? So it's like I say in my video, happy new day, happy new life. Every day is loaded with the joyous expansion of joyous life that we came for, and we don't want to let holidays or anything else interfere with that. So we want to feel as good and joyful about life today and before the holidays, going into the holidays and after the holidays. We don't want to just have that as a segment of time where, we just sort of forget everything, and then afterwards, then it all comes crashing down on us. We don't want to do that. We want to carry that nice vibrational atmosphere, high vibration, through everything, through holidays, birthdays, vacation, you name it, our work day, whatever we're doing, wherever we are, we want to carry that continuous feeling of joy and high vibration, being in alignment, thinking in all the ways we do about all the things in our day, how everything's serving us. We want to carry that throughout the holidays. We don't want to let ourselves slide back into those negative feeling loops after all the training that you've done to create the new positive feedback loops that are in alignment. You don't want to allow yourself, through any segment of time of the year or any event, to pull you away from all that nice training to get yourself back in alignment and moving towards living more of your high vibration life. So wanted to throw this video in here with the holidays coming up, but whether it's holidays, vacation, anything that's a change from your regular patterns, it could offer a challenge to keep going with your training of your thought processes through the day, so that you're staying on track with coming back into alignment and retraining your mind so that you're always in that good feeling place. That's where we want to be all day, every day, on all matters, and we don't want to let anything take us off of that and move us back into those old thought loops. That's not going to serve us at all. And so this is a great time to test yourself, really, going through a segment of time like a holiday where many things have changed, and you're going to stay consistent with the way that you perceive things and your perspective on things and the way that you're going to handle things vibrationally through this segment of time. And then you're just going to pick it up on the other side, and you're just going to keep going, right? You're not going to miss a beat. That's the way you want it to be, before, during, and after. You just want to carry this high vibration energy right through everything. So that's the message for today, just to give you a little reminder that, to enjoy the holidays for sure, and make sure you're mindful to stay training your mind and choosing the thoughts that serve you, and the conversations and everything that you're doing. Make sure you're continuing to view things in the way of the creative process, and keep your alignment, and come out the other side. And then into the new year, you're going to keep going, and you're just going to keep building momentum. You're going to keep making progress, and then it's going to get easier and easier to be in those good feeling thought places. And then you're going to start to see your life is going to catch up as you make that change and have more consistency in your positive emotional output in the day. Okay, that's the message for today. Thanks for listening in. If you have any questions, leave them on the post. And enjoy your day.